then you know the feeling of making a mistake. Depending on how bad you scrape your knee, you might keep going, but in the back of your mind, that mistake stays with you. During my time here, I made many mistakes, but the amazing part of what makes the Academy tick is that each mistake doesn't have to be your whole story. You can assess what happened, work around it, and start a new day without a weight on your chest, but rather a clear picture of what to do and what not to do. Things I never believed I could achieve because of a few stumbles become attainable goals, something anybody with as many scrapes as we have can truly appreciate. All of us have a story, something that either holds us back or pushes us forward. These either become our tools for the future. Here during our residency, many aspects of day-to-day life are maintained for us, such as planning and schedules. This helps us focus on the more personal battles and improve. I always felt that if I wanted something for myself, I would need to take the initiative to go after it. Every single cadet who is here alongside me has achieved that not-so-small feat, and it was the first of many. Struggling students find a new place in the classroom. Someone who considers themselves weak truly understands how strong they are. Cadets with no purpose discover a passion for something good. We all came for something and got so much more, something we probably never expected. This is definitely true for me and my brothers in the 2nd Platoon Spartans. For instance, I never considered myself a strong leader until we went to TBEX, a 2-day camping trip at Camp Parsons. We broke into 6 teams by our classes, and I was chosen to lead Class Delta for a series of trials called the Amazing Race. The whole day required us to work together, and we met our match when we came to the physical or mental challenge. We chose the mental challenge first, but when the riddles proved to be too time-consuming, we switched over to the physical challenge, and it certainly was not any easier. As we were doing exercise after exercise though, rolling in the mud and the rain, screaming each cadence at the top of our lungs, I found a new level to my limits with my brothers that day. I found confidence. Before I came to the Academy, I often quit on my goals because I believed that I could never succeed. But just like at TBEX, we all had to step out of our comfort zone when we decided to come here. This growth is visible in all of us, whether we're Wolfpack, Spartans, or Eagles, and I'm proud to say that we made it together. 5.5 months is a long time for anybody, and I know many people like myself who struggle to persevere. Now, here we are. We made it to the other side and are about to begin the next chapter. I know many people like myself, I can only assume that my fellow cadets feel the same when I say that I'm hesitant to start this chapter. But don't get me wrong, I know just how amazing our futures can be. We just have to reach out and grab it. Because in the end, the Academy is all about understanding you and just how high you can reach. Thank you.